In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce Snapchat ads. If you're running campaigns on Snapchat and want to bring down your costs while keeping delivery steady, follow along and I'll guide you through the exact places to click and the settings to adjust. Start by opening your browser and searching for Snapchat ads. You're looking for the official Snapchat ads platform, which will take you to the Business Advertising Hub. Click the correct link to open the site. Once you're on the platform, click Log In. Sign in with your business account so you can access your campaigns and settings. If you land on a general dashboard, that's perfect. We'll move from there into the actual ad manager. In the top left corner, click the business menu and select Manage Ads. This opens the Ads Manager where your campaigns, ad sets, and ads live. If you have multiple ad accounts, make sure the correct one is selected before you proceed. Within the Ads Manager, navigate to the ad set you want to optimize, then open the bidding section. This is where you control how aggressively Snapchat bids for impressions or actions on your behalf, and it's the primary lever for reducing costs without harming performance. Here, try switching to target cost or max bid. With target cost, you're telling the system the average cost you want over time. With max bid, you're setting a hard cap the system won't exceed. Start with a conservative cap, low enough to aim for savings, but not so low that delivery stops. If the ad doesn't spend or impressions stall, slowly raise the cap in small increments until you find the lowest price point that still delivers consistently. Give each change enough time to take effect so the algorithm can adapt, and watch for steady delivery rather than short spikes. Next, review your audience targeting and remove restrictive layers like very specific interests or tiny custom audiences. Overly narrow targeting can drive up costs because the system has fewer opportunities to find affordable impressions. Aim for an audience size of at least 1 million or more. A broader audience gives the algorithm room to explore, find more efficient pockets of traffic, and stabilize your cost. You can still keep essential guardrails like location or age if they're critical to your objective, but avoid stacking too many detailed interests or small lookalikes that choke scale. That's it. By adjusting bidding to a thoughtful cap and opening up your audience, you'll help Snapchat's system find cheaper impressions while keeping your campaigns live and learning. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing.